This event is very much focused on biopharmaceutical manufacturing. So we have here representatives from local contract manufacturing organizations and pharmaceutical companies who represent not only the strength of the region in terms of biomanufacturing, but also we have representatives from the whole country congregated here today, deciding how we can take forward the industry, particularly in this new age of digitalization. The region here, in particular Tees Valley, has made a particular investment into the biotechnologic space. We have not only this piece of infrastructure and the people that reside here, but we also have the National Horizon Center across the road that would help also train the next generation of scientists, engineers and chemists that will help to deliver these drugs to, vital drugs to patients.
We have an excellent relationship with CPI and we're working together to address the needs of industry, and especially this conference is essential in networking and discussing and finding out those research needs so we can actually encourage and nurture more collaboration. The centre was purpose-built to address the UK skills shortage strategy, and the instrumentation within the building addresses the research, teaching and business engagement needs right across the bioscience industry that we focus as our grand challenges at Teesside University.
Here in Darlington we have the connections through rail. We have major industries placed in the region, for example with Fujifilm, Diosynth and Billingham. So it's absolutely essential that we have the backing, that we have a vision and build the infrastructure around the region. And Tees Valley Combined Authority has been absolutely essential in providing us with that support and be able to generate this hub for industry in the UK.